Hi! Today I will show you how to customize lock screen shortcuts on Motorola Edge 70. Let's wake up the device by using the power key, then touch and hold the lock screen, push the Customize Lock Screen button, enter your lock screen method, and here we are. You can see the left shortcut and the right one. Simply tap on it, and now you can change it. You can left it without any of option, or choose some of flashlight, do not disturb mode, or mute. Also, you can put here some of the app. And you can do this with the right shortcut. Alright, now you know how to customize lock screen shortcuts on the Motorola Edge 70. Thank you for watching, subscribe the channel, and bye!